Welcome to the Enterprise AI Minute, your journey into the real-world AI future. And this episode is brought to you by CloudWars EXPO, running June 28th to 30th at Moscone Center in San Francisco, California. And I'll be there leading tracks and sessions alongside Bob Evans, founder of CloudWars, and the rest of my Acceleration Economy analyst colleagues. Looking for more details? Well, head to cloudwarsexpo.com to learn more.
Join thousands of CXOs June 28th to 30th in San Francisco, California at Cloud Wars Expo as we explore a new metric called the time to dazzle, exclusively focused on how long it takes to dazzle customers with new business models that are enabled by the cloud, empowered by AI, and optimized with human ingenuity. Register today at cloudwarsexpo.com and join a movement to make dazzling customers the metric that matters.
Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. Now, you may have heard of this, you may not have heard of this, but in essence, it's the ability of intelligent or autonomous systems or machines to function in really like human-like levels. And what I mean here is think about things like speech, language understanding, image recognition, contextual relevance of one thing to another, social interactions, and the list goes on. While it's the true reality here really is that AGI is quite a ways off. Yes, there are organizations right now that are putting full effort into making this come to life, and it's fascinating to see these evolve. And this evolution really of what AGI is taking on from the early notions of what it was thought of. Now, one of those organizations is OpenAI. And its mission is to provide AGI in a way that benefits all humanity in a safe and cooperative way in conjunction with others. Now, a cool thing they have, it's really fascinating with OpenAI, is this open source solution called DALL-E 2, almost like WALL-E from the Pixar movies that you've seen. Now, with DALL-E 2, I mean, do you want to see an astronaut playing basketball with cats in space in a minimalistic style? Well, you can do that with DALL-E 2. This OpenAI says that DALL-E 2 can create original, realistic images from art, from text descriptions, and can combine all these concepts, attributes, and styles. Now, the interesting part here is that the solution has learned the relationships between images and the text used to describe them. And OpenAI is calling this process diffusion. And the result here is realistic images that look almost naturally composed, so to speak, naturally meaning through digital tools, as if somebody did it through something like Photoshop. Now, as cool as all of this is, the reality here is that, think about this, AI is catching up in many aspects on the creative front to simplify that creative process. However, as you noticed, it still requires human input. And a lot of what is going into this diffusion is still sourced from people for the originality of the output. Yes, AI has come a long way, and I'm hopeful the evolution will continue in a safe and ethical manner. Because at the core, it really needs to be helping people, augmenting people, not replacing people. And beneath all that, and in front of all that, and around all that, it still preserves our core humanness. Because remember, the future of AI depends on what you do now. So stay real, stay you.